Oil tankers with no flags, no tracking, no country. So how are they still delivering billions in banned oil? This is the hidden network keeping Russia, Iran, and Venezuela in business, despite global sanctions. In this video, we'll break down how ghost fleets vanish, how they move oil undetected, and why no one's been able to stop them. Let me first show you what a ghost fleet really is. When a country gets sanctioned, its oil exports are supposed to stop. But instead of shutting down, some nations activate a shadow system, one built on ships designed to disappear. These are aging oil tankers, often bought secondhand and repurposed to operate outside international rules. They sail under flags of convenience, registered in countries with minimal oversight. On paper, they're owned by shell companies and offshore tax havens. In practice, no one really knows who's in control. The key move? They go dark by switching off their AIS, the global tracking system that monitors ship movements. Once that signal's gone, they vanish from satellite maps. This isn't fiction. It's a working system that helps sanctioned oil keep flowing, right through the gaps in global enforcement, and it's hiding in plain sight. Now I bet you're wondering, how do they disappear without a trace? It's a trick that's part tech, part old-school smuggling. First, these tankers spoof their location, broadcasting fake coordinates or cloning another ship's identity entirely. Then, in the middle of the ocean, they perform mid-sea transfers. One dark ship pumps oil into another, often at night, far from port. No customs, no questions, no trail. By the time the receiving tanker docks, the oil has a new identity. It's clean, and it's ready for sale. So who's behind it? Russia ramped up its ghost fleet after invading Ukraine. When Europe cut off Russian crude, the Kremlin used these shadow tankers to send oil to China, India, and beyond, all at a discount. Iran has been perfecting this game for years, smuggling oil to East Asia under fake registries and no flags. Venezuela, isolated from global finance, joined in. Their oil now reaches markets through third-party tankers and fake paperwork. These three countries alone move millions of barrels each day, outside the rules. This is what happens when international law runs on trust, because maritime enforcement is a mess. There's no single global body checking every ship. And flag registries? Many are open for business, letting anyone register a ship with zero oversight. Ownership is hidden behind layers of offshore shell companies. And inspections? Rare, especially for ships that never dock at major ports. Sanctions rely on paperwork. Ghost fleets rely on breaking it. Now this is where ghost fleets become a global threat. This isn't just a clever workaround, it's a growing danger. These tankers are often decades old, poorly maintained, and sail without insurance or inspections. No oversight means no safety standards, no accountability. They've been linked to oil spills, collisions, and even weapons smuggling. And when something goes wrong, there's no flag to blame. No owner to fine, just silence. Each illegal shipment weakens sanctions and sends a message. You can ban a country, you can block its ports, but you can't ban a ghost. The ghost fleet exposes a hard truth. Sanctions may exist on paper, but out at sea, money moves anyway. If this surprised you, subscribe, and tell us in the comments, what should we uncover next? Because the shadows of global trade run deeper than you think.